Changing your payout method on Barwa Switzerland is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Barwa Switzerland website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings, find the option labeled payout methods or payment options. Click on this to view your current payout methods and available alternatives. Step 4. Choose a new payout method. Select the option to add a new payout method. You may need to enter details such as bank account information or payment service provider details, depending on your choice. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the required information, review your changes and confirm. You may receive a verification prompt or email to finalize the update. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Barwa Switzerland. Make sure to keep your information updated for seamless transactions.